Decided to follow the vehicle and report its driver to the police. The minivan eventually drove to a dead end. The couple's car was blocking the only exit, so the driver of the minivan got out of his vehicle and took out his chainsaw from the back seat.
Shut that pussy off, little bitch, I don't give a fuck. Run up with a dick, light it up, niggas finna die. All that shit you niggas up, you ain't pulling up. Put that pistol in your gut, make him give it up. Niggas trying to kill a nigga, really with that suicide. Pull up on my stop and run up on me, bitch, I'm trying to die. Sacrifice my bitch, she get hit, slit my fucking wrist. Blood on the wall, throwing up, fucking triple six. Chainsaw, rip your fucking face off, face off. Chainsaw, rip your fucking face off, face off. Chainsaw, rip your fucking face off, face off. Chainsaw, rip your fucking face off, face off.
The 37-year-old chainsaw-wielding maniac was arrested at his home the next day and is awaiting trial. He has no prior arrests, but maybe he'll think twice before threatening an innocent family with a deadly power tool.